I'm Pascal Rauchenecker, 25 years old, and I'm from Austria. Yeah, I'm racing GNCC in XT2 class this year, racing for Coastal Husqvarna racing team, and yeah, I enjoy a lot so far. Had some up and downs this season, but in general was a fun year so far, and yeah. Coastal Husqvarna racing team puts a lot of effort in, and yeah, they got me great support, and I'm really glad that they gave me this opportunity to come over from Austria, and yeah, I'm really happy about that. Yeah, we decided to race XT1 this weekend because I just love the big bike, the 450, and XT2 is kind of over for me. I'm 13 points and no chance for me to get the title, so XT2 is over. That's why I decided to go on the big bike, and yeah, I'm definitely excited just to see what I can do on that one. For me, I don't have any expectations for tomorrow because I rode a lot on the 450, like in motocross, but never really spent a lot of time in the woods on the 450, so I have no clue how my speed is on the 450 in the woods, so that's why it's hard to set goals, but I definitely wanna get a good start and then try to stay with the front group as long as possible. That's right, I'm gonna race the Motocross of Nations next weekend at Red Bud. I love to race motocross, and that's what I did in the past. So I did this event already 5 times, and yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to this one. It's going to be a lot of fun. I mean, it will be tough for me for sure because racing all year in the woods and stuff, but I will try my best, and we will see what we can do. Yeah, I wanna give a big thanks to Coastal Husqvarna Racing because yeah, for the great support they gave me this year, and also next weekend for Motocross of Nations, like they made it happen for Team Austria to come over here, and they give us great support for that event. So I'm really thankful for that, and yeah, I had a great year so far, and I'm definitely looking forward for the rest of the season.